Hey y'all, best way to self-quarantine is riding a motorcycle. So we're gonna ride over to Sweetwater Mill, Sweetwater Creek Historic Park. It's in this Georgia thing, Parks and Recreation. Hopefully they open. This is March 19th, I think. Yeah, no, yes. So we're gonna ride over there and check out this old mill that was built before the Civil War, and then Sherman burned it during the Civil War. But it's pretty cool ruins. So we're gonna ride over there, run that intro. Welcome back. Won't you be my neighbor? How y'all doing? So yeah, we're riding over here to these ruins of an old grist mill, that was built pre-Civil War. It is 68.9 degrees. Can you believe it? Middle of March. We under a coronavirus update or status that keep my mouth shut. Stop ahead, really? Since when? March 11th. New four-way stop sign, huh? How about that? Alright, we almost here at the, well, there we are. Let's see which way we gotta go in here. Assistant Manager Resident, Sweetwater Creek Park. Okay. Alright, that's Knots Landing. Remember from the TV show, Knots Landing? Wasn't that a TV show? I don't know. I can't remember. It seemed like it was. Yeah. Knots Landing. But that wasn't the name of the TV show. It was where they was at, wasn't it? I don't remember. Alright, we got more signs. Ranger residence. Alright. Got turkey birds. It looks like a coyote. Is this it? Yep, must be. I don't know if this is it. Park fee required. Good. Let me get it. Neutral here. We self-quarantined. We came in two different vehicles. That's okay?
Yeah, but you came to the busiest place in the world.
Really? I don't care. Is this is the way we go to walk down to the
To the mill.
Yeah.
Red trail out the front door of the visitor center.
Okay. So much for self-quarantine, right? Wow, find a place to park.
guess I could have turned around.
Manchester Manufacturing Company was originally known as the Sweetwater Manufacturing Company. The factory was built and operated by former Governor Charles J. McDonald and Colonel James Roger. The land was purchased in 1845. Construction began in 1846. The factory remained open.
So much for self-quarantine, right? This place is full of people. We ain't scared of no bug. I hope you enjoyed the little roadside attractions of a old mill, burnt out mill and all. So, everybody's waiting to get turned out here. So check out this video right about there, and this one here. Where am I at? Right there. I'll do it in a minute. I get rolling so I can see what I'm doing here.
Whew. Alright. Yeah, go check out this video right there, right here. And hit the subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one. Later, Tater Tot.